What's up guys, we're about to know what's out here. So today's video we'll be talking about how to reset your Oraimo SpaceBuds Pro. So if you're having issue with your Oraimo SpaceBuds Pro, maybe one earbud is not working, or you are experiencing disconnection issue, or you just need to reset it for whatever reason, this video is for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So before we continue, I have to tell you that you can find how to reset it in the user guide. So if you still have the pack with you, just go to the user manual or the welcome guide and you will see it there. I think it's page 7. Yeah, page 7, as you can see on the screen. So just go there, follow the instruction, and you are good to go. So guys, the first thing to do here is to make sure your Oraimo SpaceBuds Pro is charged up. That is the first step. The second thing to do is to now go to your smartphone and clear these earbuds from your Bluetooth list. So how do you do that? You go to your smartphone, turn on the Bluetooth, and go to the Bluetooth settings. As you can see, here is my Oraimo SpaceBuds Pro. Now, don't tap on it like this. You have to tap this gear icon or eye icon if you are using an iPhone. So tap on this gear icon by the side and unpair or forget or disconnect depending on what you have on your phone. So here in my case, I have unpair. So I'm going to tap on that and it say unpair Babatunde's Oraimo SpaceBuds Pro. So here I'm going to confirm the unpair and it will be no longer on my Bluetooth list. As you can see here, it's no longer on my Bluetooth list. Just make sure it is no longer there and switch off the Bluetooth. Now, once you have done that, you can now keep the phone. The next thing to do is to now go back to your earbuds and bring out these guys from the charging case. So once you bring them out this way, you just need one of these guys. You can use either the left or the right earbud. So in this case, I'm going to be using the left. Now, here is what you have to do. Because the guy has no indicator on the body, so we won't know if it is truly reset or successfully reset. So what you have to do is to put it in your ears and tap it 2 times. And on the 3rd time, you are going to press hold on it for 4 beeps and release. Okay? You tap it 2 times like this, 1, 2. On the 3rd time, you press hold for 4 beeps and release. And you are going to hear pairing. If the left earbud didn't work, switch to the right earbud and do the same process. So that is how to reset your Oraimo SpaceBuds. You are likely not to get it the first time or the second time. You can just be switching to the left and to the right, and do it. You can go 1 second time, the 3rd time, even 4th time. And now if you have successfully reset it, what you have to do next is to go to your Bluetooth settings. As you can see, it just popped up my Oraimo SpaceBuds Pro on my smartphone, so I can connect it even without the Bluetooth turning on. It says Bluetooth will be enabled. I'm just going to select done. So let me just go to my Bluetooth. As you can see, it has been turned on. That is Google Fast Pair in action. It is now connected back to my phone. As you can see here, it is connected. So it's as easy as that. And that is how to reset it. Now, if you have some other issues aside from resetting it, all you have to do is to go to the user manual and do that. You can go to the FAQ section of it. And I think that is all. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. If you have any issue that is not mentioned, please drop it down there in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Peace.